What is athlete in Korean? Athlete in Korean is
운동선수, 운동선수,
again. Athlete in Korean is
운동선수.
How do we write undong sonsu in Hangul? This is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable un, we need to draw a placeholder iyang, followed by an u character, followed by a nian character. For the second syllable dong, we need to draw a dikit character, followed by an ol character, followed by an iyang character. For the third syllable son, we need to draw a siyot, o, and nian character. For the last syllable su, we need to draw a siyot and u character.
And with that you've already learned what is athlete in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is artist in Korean? Artist in Korean is
예술가, 예술가.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.